Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to block porn websites on Android. Now, first just open up Google Chrome. And when you open up Google Chrome, we're going to tap on those three dots at the top right, and then scroll down to Settings. Now, within here, we can block adult or pornographic websites on Google Chrome, but keep in mind, you might also want to go through the process of blocking it across all other web browsers, including Firefox or Brave or anything like that. So let's do it first within Chrome. So from here, let's scroll down a little bit, and we're going to choose Privacy and Security. Now, once we're in Privacy and Security, the nice thing is there's a built-in way to be able to block all that adult content. All you need to do is go down, and we're going to make use of a DNS, a secure DNS. And you can see in my case, it's currently set to off. So let's tap on that, and let's just toggle this on. However, it'll default to using your service provider's DNS, which is not what we want to use. We want to choose another provider. And on here, you can see there's a drop-down list. It's currently set to custom, but let's just tap on it. And instead of all of these, we're going to choose Clean Browsing Family Filter. Now you can just hop out of here and you might need to restart Chrome. After you've done that, let's block those adult or porn websites across your entire phone. To do that, we're going to swipe up and hop into your settings. Now within the settings on your Android phone, let's tap at the very top where it says Connections. And now from here, let's scroll down until we get to More Connection Settings at the very bottom. And now from here, we'll use a DNS similar to Google Chrome, but this is across your entire phone. So let's tap on Private DNS. Whether this is set to off or automatic, we're going to choose Private DNS Provider Hostname instead. And what you're going to type in is family.cloudflare-dns.com and hit Save. Again, you might want to close out of all of these and then open them back up again, and you blocked all those websites. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.